Imagine walking into your classroom. Students are talking loudly. Someone is throwing paper airplanes. Two students are arguing. And the lesson you carefully prepared completely falls apart. Sound familiar? Many teachers believe that teaching is all about explaining the subject well. But here's the truth. Even the best lesson plan will fail without good classroom management. Welcome to the Education Studio, where we explore powerful ideas that help teachers teach better and students learn better. Today, let's understand one of the most important skills every teacher must master: classroom management. Many teachers struggle with classroom management, especially new teachers. Students may talk during the lesson, ignore instructions, use their phones, disturb other students, or simply lose interest. When this happens, learning stops. The teacher becomes stressed. Students become disengaged. And the classroom becomes chaotic. But here's the important thing. Classroom management is not about controlling students. It is about creating an environment where learning can happen effectively. Good classroom management builds respect, discipline, engagement, and a positive learning atmosphere. So how can teachers achieve this? Let's explore some practical strategies. The first step in classroom management is clear expectations. Students need to know what behavior is acceptable and what behavior is not. For example, raise your hand before speaking. Respect others' opinions. Listen when someone is talking. When rules are clear and consistent, students feel more secure and responsible. Students behave better when they feel respected and valued. Learn your students' names. Show interest in their ideas. Encourage their efforts. When teachers build positive relationships, students naturally become more cooperative. Remember, students don't just learn from teachers they fear. They learn from teachers they trust and respect. Sometimes students misbehave simply because they are bored. Engaging lessons keep students focused. You can use group activities, discussions, real-life examples, questions and interactive tasks. When students are actively involved in learning, classroom disruptions automatically decrease. Instead of only correcting bad behavior, focus on encouraging good behavior. Simple appreciation can make a big difference. For example, "Great job staying focused." "I like how this group is working together." Positive reinforcement motivates students to repeat good behavior. Classroom challenges will happen, but effective teachers remain calm and consistent. Avoid shouting or reacting emotionally. Instead, respond with patience and fairness. Students quickly learn that their teacher is confident, respectful, and in control. Let's imagine two classrooms. In the first classroom, rules are unclear. Students talk whenever they want. The teacher constantly struggles to control the class. Now look at the second classroom. Students know the expectations. The teacher builds strong relationships. Lessons are interactive and engaging. Which classroom do you think will produce better learning? Exactly. Effective classroom management transforms the classroom into a space for growth and discovery. Classroom management is not about strict control. It's about creating a positive environment where students feel safe, respected, and motivated to learn. Remember these key ideas: clear rules, positive relationships, engaging lessons, encouragement, and calm, consistent leadership. Master these skills, and your classroom will become a place where learning truly happens. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the Education Studio with fellow educators. See you in the next video.